This 2011 Buick Enclave is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Enclave CXL-2 power sliding sunroof, rear view camera, rear parking sensors, heated front seats, cooled front seats, third row seating, power windows, power rear tailgate, cruise control, power exterior mirrors, 3.6L V6 engine, automatic transmission, keyless entry, pearl white exterior, tan leather interior. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for a detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2011 Buick Enclave CXL-2 is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw, terminate any vehicle listed for sale. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.